Making a red velvet cake involves a combination of ingredients like cocoa powder, buttermilk, and red food coloring, resulting in a delicious and visually appealing dessert. Here's a basic recipe for a classic red velvet cake. Ingredients. For the cake: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1½ cups vegetable oil, 1 cup buttermilk, room temperature, 2 large eggs, room temperature, 2 tablespoons red food coloring, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon white or apple cider vinegar. For the cream cheese frosting: 16 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. In a separate bowl, whisk together the oil, buttermilk, eggs, red food coloring, vanilla extract, and vinegar until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans and smooth the tops. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the cream cheese frosting: in a large bowl, beat together the cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, beating well after each addition. Add the vanilla extract and beat until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Once the cakes are completely cooled, spread a layer of cream cheese frosting on top of one cake layer. Place the second cake layer on top and frost the top and sides of the entire cake with the remaining cream cheese frosting. Optionally, you can decorate the cake with cake crumbs or additional decorations of your choice. Slice and enjoy your delicious red velvet cake. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.